the Propella SS electric bike.
Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we're going to take a look at the Propella SS electric bike.
The bike came in a fairly large box. It does have some weight to it, but lighter compared to other e-bikes that I have reviewed. Opening the box, you will see that the bike is packed well with the front wheel on the side and all the parts in the smaller boxes. Removing the bike from the box, you can see that it's about 90% assembled. You have the user guide attached along with a sign directing you to visit the website for assembly videos. Inside, it comes with the battery, the charger, pedals, quick release skewer, Allen wrenches, seat post, and seat. I'm not going to go through step by step on the assembly, and I would recommend watching the videos on the website, which I have linked in the description below. Assembly should take no longer than 45 minutes in my opinion. Here it is fully assembled, and just to highlight the process. Attach the seat to the seat post and adjust to your desired height. Attach the handlebars. Attach the front wheel. Install the pedals and make final adjustments on the handlebars. The bike features a single-speed drivetrain, 250 watt motor, 400 watt peak, 5 pedal assist levels, 2.5 hours for a full charge, 18 miles per hour top speed with a 20 to 40 mile range, lightweight at 35 pounds, and has an LCD backlit display. And here is a frame size of the bike. The Propella SS has an aluminum frame and fork, anodized blue alloy rims, Shimano TX805 mechanical disc brakes, a Samsung lithium-ion battery, Bafang rear gear hub motor, Lasco alloy chain ring and crank, KMC chain, and Zoom alloy stem and handlebars.
Now to take out the battery, basically there's the key here, and you want to unlock it, and then it just comes right off. And inserting it back in, just turn the key to lock it, make sure it's in place. And now the battery is back in. Now the battery also has a power indicator on the top here. If you just hold it down, it will give you the status of the battery. The LEDs will light up.
Looking at the left side of the handlebars, you have the following. You have the buttons to increase and decrease the pedal assist modes, power button, and LCD display. As you power it on, you can see the assist modes as I cycle by pressing the up and down buttons from 0 to 5. Pressing the power button will cycle through the trip and odometer view. It also has a backlit LCD display. To activate, just hold the up arrow and the power button at the same time. And finally, this has a walk assist mode. Just hold down the down button for a few seconds and you will see the icon on the right side when activated. Now I will show some footage of the bike in use, going through the different levels of pedal assist, testing out the brakes, and seeing how it does going up inclines.
All right, we're gonna see how it does going up this small hill and going on the grass to see how bumpy it gets. It doesn't have a front suspension fork, so I have a feeling it will be a little bit bumpy. I have it on pedal assist 5. All right, it is a little bit tough to get up that hill since it's a single speed. And it is a little bit of a rough ride here on the grass. Again, this has no front suspension fork. So definitely not made to go off-road, so it's best to just keep it on the pavement and on the, smooth surfaces. Now I'm going to cycle through the different pedal assist levels. I'll start off with level 1 all the way to level 5, and then I'll hit the brakes and see how it stops. Okay, we are on pedal assist 1 right now. Moving to pedal assist 2. Pedal assist 2, 11 miles an hour. Very easy to pedal. Going to level 3 now. Picking up some speed. Almost at 14 miles an hour. Pedal assist 4. And about 15 miles per hour right now. And pedal assist 5. Approaching 18 miles an hour. This road does have an incline here, so we might lose some speed, but let's see how it does. Now I'm gonna hit the brakes and test it out. All right, not bad at all. Brakes stop pretty well. Now I'm going to test to see how it does on an incline. I normally test a lot of the e-bikes on this road because it has a nice gradual incline. So I'll start off with pedal assist 1 and go from there. All right, I'm going to move it to pedal assist 2 now. It's getting a little bit difficult to pedal here, so let's go to 3. And then you definitely feel the power and the assist. Let's go to 4. 5. Definitely can handle 4 and 5 with no issues. Handle the turn with no problems here. Feels very stable. No rattles, no noises. You can hear the motor just a little bit, but overall smooth ride. All right, we're gonna make our way down the road, and we're definitely gonna pick up some speed here. Let's see how it does. So we're just gliding right now. I'm about 19 miles an hour going down the road here. Very smooth.
So here are my thoughts on the bike. The first thing you will notice is how light it is for an e-bike, coming in at 35 pounds. It was easy to assemble, and the overall look of the bike is sharp with its blue accenting. It has 5 pedal assist modes, which top out at 18.5 miles per hour and more than adequate during my rides. It doesn't have a throttle button, and it's only single speed, so going up steeper inclines may be a bit of a challenge. and off-roading will not be ideal as it doesn't have a front suspension fork and the tires are slim. I see this as a good entry-level bike for commutes around town or in the city. The seat was comfortable during my testing, and the ride was smooth with the motor not too noisy. There were no rattles and the bike felt solid. Overall, this falls in that entry-level category with decent range and speed, and most of all, the lightweight design. So that is my review of the Propella SS electric bike. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.